Hi and welcome back. My name is Emily and I'm so happy that you decided to stop by this channel today. For my projects today, I will be featuring some fall themed products from Trinity Stamps. And I started off by off-camera hot foiling this beautiful acorn cluster. This is one of my favorites from this release. And if you want to know exactly how you can hot foil, there is a lot of great tutorials here on the channel. So I can leave a link up in the corner to one of them so you can go and check them out. I started off here by coloring in the leaves in a couple of different shades. I was imagining that they were sort of on the way to fall down, and they had all of these beautiful colors that they were mixed into. So for my acorns itself, I colored them really pale gray and brown, and a little bit of a heavier color on the top of the acorn there. So I hope the camera is picking it up. And I love Trinity's hot foiling stamp sets that also comes with a coordinating die. It's so easy to use, and it really brings it takes the product to the next level so you can create something amazing. So for my project here, I just wanted to soften down all of the white space. So I took one of the new blending brushes from Trinity, and I took the leftover that I had in the red-orange color and just went over it, so I toned that down a little bit. And I think that also helped my image here to come to life. I also used the yellow one, and you can see I thought I had a little bit too little in the brush, so I just went in with some more yellow there to some of the parts. So here is my panel. It's a standard A2 sized card front, and to my card front I will be gluing, I'm using the new Crafty Glue Friend from Trinity, and just adhering down a panel on top of a standard A2 card sized panel. And then I will cut away with my trimmer a small piece of this. I just wanted something to make this card a little bit more interesting. So then I will keep everything attached, and to do that I will use some low-tack adhesive and just keep the bottom of the card in place. And then I will glue my image here. It's quite large, so this is a good image to do this technique with, because it will have a lot of places that it can hold on to or get a grip of. And then I'm gluing it to the top, and when I know exactly where it's gonna fall, I will eyeball it and just put adhesive to the down part. So here it is, and then I will let it dry. And as you can see, I'm really impatient. You probably should let this dry a little bit longer than I did, but it was okay. I cut a second piece of the acorn, and just to make this a little bit more stable, I adhere that to the inside part. So now we have our acorn that is securing this panel on both sides. Don't worry, I will show you this once more in a second here. I took and heat embossed off camera a sentiment that says thank you. I think that is nice. And I wanted to use more of these large solid images and create the same, or do the same technique with. So you can see here I have the pumpkin bouquet stamp set. I will just ink it up with some Memento, and I will then, you can see I had some spots here that didn't clearly transfer, and I will fix that off camera. You can see here I needed to do a little bit more pressure on my stamp to make it stamp properly. And now I will cut this image out with the coordinating dies. Once more, I just love coordinating dies. I think it makes the projects come together so quickly. And if I don't know, I would always recommend buying the coordinating dies. I love it. It really makes you use the products that you have a lot more. So now I will do the same thing here. I will cut off one of the middle section there. I will adhere it in place with some low-tack adhesive. Then I will glue the top part where I like it. can see here I'm using my Crafty Glue Friend once more. And then when I'm happy with it, I will place this down and adhere another piece to the inside, exactly like we did with the first card. So this will stabilize our card front. And I also off camera heat set and embossed a sentiment to go across our pumpkin. And I just love that this sentiment went across the little white space that we had there. I think that really made this card special. It's quite hard to see, I think, on the acorn card here, but it's sort of a holographic cardstock. It's really beautiful in real life. On camera it looks quite flat with the colors, but in real life it's more sparkly and amazing. And I hope I can like put it in the light the right way so that you can see exactly how it looks. This card looks more bold because it has all of the black outlines, I think. But both of the cards are in real life really fantastic. And for this I'm using Black Magic Rainstones as well. Here you can see, hopefully the camera can pick it up, how amazing that foil plate is. So I hope you got inspired to mix up your panels a little bit more. And it would be so fun if you would create something similar and maybe tag us on social medias. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!